Friends, today we are here to solve these questions, right? As you can see on the screen, your question is what? Cosec 10 degree minus root 3 sec 10 degree is equals to what, right? So what we can write here? We can write here 1 by sine 10 degree minus root 3 divided by cos 10 degree, right? And you just simplify here. So what we are going to get here? Cos 10 degree minus root 3 sine 10 degree divided by sine 10 degree into cos 10 degree, right? So what you can do here, you just multiply by 2 and divide by 2, right? So what we can do, 1 by 2, we just multiply and divide by 2. So here it is cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2, right? And here it is sine 10 degree, okay? And divided by what? Sine 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Now you can see here, you also here multiplied by 2, right? And here you also multiply by 2, right? So now you see here 1 by 2 cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2 sine 10 degree. What we can observe, 2 into 2 you can just multiply, here it is 4, right? And this, what we can write is sine 30 degree, right? Sine 30 degree, because sine 30 is half, and here it is cos 10 degree minus, and root 3 by 2, what we can write? Cos 30 degree, right? Cos 30 degree, here it is root 3 by 2, okay? And sine 10 degree, clear? And divided by what? Divided by what we can write? Divided by 2 sine 10 degree into cos 10 degree, and you know the formula. What is that? Sine 2a. What is the formula? To sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a into cos a. So you can write here, sine 20 degree, right? Sine 20 degree. So now you can see here sine a into cos b, sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. So what you can write? You can write 4 into sine a minus b. This is nothing but the formula of sine a minus b. So sine a minus b means 30 minus 10, right? Divided by sine 20 degree, okay? So now you can see here sine 30 minus 10. So what we can write here? Sine 20 and divided by sine 20. So this will get cancelled. So final answer will be 4, right? So 4 is the correct option, right? Now look at the next question. So see here, what we have to find here, we have to find here the least value of cos square theta minus 6 sine theta cos theta plus 3 sine square theta plus 2. You have to find the least value, right? So first you just simplify, right? So let us see here, cos square theta minus, listen carefully, 6 sine theta into cos theta plus sine square theta, right? I'm splitting this here. 3 sine square theta, I can write sine square theta plus 2 sine square theta plus 2, right? Okay. Now you can see here this cos square theta plus sine square theta, what we can write here? You can write here 1, okay? So 1 plus 2 sine square theta, this cos square theta plus sine square theta 1, and this 2 sine square theta is left, so you can write here, okay? So 1 plus 2 sine square theta minus 3 into sine 2 theta, right? Why? Because here it is 6, so you can write 3 into 2 sine theta into cos theta. This is nothing but sine 2 theta formula, right? And plus 2, okay? You just simplify here. So 1 plus, see here, 1 plus 2 sine square theta, 2 sine square theta. So 2 sine square theta, what we can write? 1 plus 2 sine square theta can be written 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? 1 minus cos 2 theta minus 3 sine 2 theta plus 2, okay? So now you simplify here. 1 plus 1, 2, and 2, what? 4. minus you can take the common. So then what we can have here, cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and here it is 3 sine 2 theta also is there, right? So you can write here 3 sine 2 theta. Okay, so now you can see here 4 minus cos 2 theta minus 3 sine 2 theta, and we have to find the least value, right? And as you know students, if it is a cos theta plus b sine theta, how do you find the range? We find like this one, right? A square plus b square and root under a square plus b square, right? But here we have to find the least value. So let us see here, minus the coefficient you can write here, it is 1, right? So 1 square plus 3 square, and here it is 1 square and 3 square. So 4 minus, here it is what, root under 10, right? And here it is 10, right? So we have to find the least value. So which value will be taken? This value will take, right? So 4 minus root under 10. So this is your answer. What is your correct option? Your correct option is 4 minus root under 10, right?